my name is Lani. I'm a tutor on Cambly, and today you'll be learning the difference between good and well. Have you ever second guessed yourself thinking about which word you need to use? Should you say good or well? How can you tell the difference and know how to use them correctly? Don't worry, these words are commonly confused by English learners and even sometimes by native speakers. But by the end of this video, you will be able to answer all these questions and be ready to use good and well correctly. So stay tuned. Let's start with the word good. Good is an adjective, which means it describes nouns, such as people, places, or things. In a sentence, adjectives always go before nouns. For example, she is a good dancer. That is a good restaurant. I like reading good books. Now let's talk about the word well. Well is an adverb. Adverbs describe actions or verbs, and they are placed after the verb. Let's see some examples. She dances well. My friend speaks English well. I'm sorry, I can't hear you well. These are the main rules, so let's practice and see if you can tell the difference between good and well. And for this, let's imagine that you just bought a new car. Maybe your friend asks you, "Hey, how's your new car?" Now, let's think about this. A car is a thing. It's a noun. How would you answer? Yes, you could say, "My car is good." Or you can say, "It's a good car." But if your friend wants to know how it runs, he could ask, "Hey, how does your car run?" Run is a verb. What would you say? How would you answer this question? You could say, "My car runs well," or "My car doesn't run well." As a reminder, good is an adjective and well is an adverb. Good describes things. Well describes actions. However, there are two exceptions to these rules. The first one is when we talk about health. Well can be used as an adjective. For example, to answer the question, "How are you?" you could say, "I'm well, thanks." That would indicate that you are in good health. But you could also say, "I'm good," which is also commonly used but is more informal. Now, if someone asks about your family or a friend of yours, they could say, "How's your family?" You could say, "My family is well. They are well," meaning they are healthy. In this case, well is not describing an action. It's describing someone's good health. The other exception to the rule is linking verbs. Linking verbs describe a state, not an action. Verbs such as feel, seem, look, appear, smell, taste, and sound are linking verbs. So instead of using well, we use good. Let's see some examples. The flowers smell good. She feels good. This cake tastes really good. Remember that with linking verbs, we use adjectives. So we will use the adjective good. Let's recap. Good is an adjective that describes nouns, such as people, places, or things. Well is an adverb that describes actions or verbs, but it can also be used as an adjective to describe someone's health, such as, "I'm well, thanks." I hope these clear up your doubts about how to use good and well. I'm sure you do a good job and use them well. For those who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can learn English anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or your computer. Schedule your next class with me using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.